Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You have a verified Roblox account and the app installed on the device you want notifications on. Open Roblox, go to Settings, then Notifications to begin. This is where you enable basic triggers. Once done, make sure your device-level push permissions are allowed for Roblox so messages can reach you. I'll walk you through toggling in-app options and device permissions, step by step so notifications actually arrive and aren't blocked by system settings. Next, you configure which events generate notifications and why each matters. In Settings, Notifications, pick Messages, Friend Requests, Group Updates, and Party Invites. Choose only what you need to reduce noise. Then, enable email or SMS alerts in the account section if you want redundancy. This helps if push fails. Once set, adjust sound and frequency so important alerts stand out. Make sure to save changes and test by sending a friend request or joining a party to confirm your choices function. Finish by testing and troubleshooting so your setup is reliable. You should test notifications using a second account to trigger messages, invites, or group updates. This proves end-to-end delivery. If something fails, clear the Roblox cache, force close, or reinstall the app and restart the device. Also check OS Do Not Disturb, battery saver, and background data restrictions because those commonly block pushes. If all else fails, recheck account, email verification, and permission toggles. Often a single disabled toggle is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.